We've gone through hundreds of house tours together, and every now and then I get asked which one is actually my personal favorite. Well, if you're curious, or if you want to compare notes, this video is for you. If you want more exclusive content like this, well, we have exciting news for you. Our Presello channel is now introducing So here are my top 5 hand-picked favorite houses from different price points. And guess what? All of them are below 90 million. Okay, so let's start off the list with the most expensive one with House Tour 167. And this one is in LGV, Quezon City. It has a timeless quality about it. It's modern, yes, but it's not trendy. And that means it's going to last for decades, looking amazing. Also, build quality. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa. So that also will contribute to how timeless it's gonna look. Next on my list is House Tour 367, and this one is just below 50 million. And I love this one because it's the only bungalow on the list. So you have so much lot space, which is about 480 square meters of lot space, but the house itself is much smaller, and I really like that. Also, this one is in Carmona, Cavite. Number 3, we have House Tour 175. This one is in Laguna. So this one's more of modern contemporaries. It's not quite as timeless as the first one that I mentioned, but it still does have that timeless modern quality to it. And I like this one for the practicality of the space. Also, this one is around 30 million, so it's really not bad for the price and for where it is. Okay, so for this next one, if you haven't seen it yet, you absolutely have to check it out. This one is in Nasugbu, Batangas, and it is a beaut. Beautifully designed exterior-wise and indoor-wise. So architecture and interior design is spot on. And what I absolutely appreciate about this is the fact that it's only around 20+ million. Like, if you're gonna go for bang for buck, this is it. Great interior, great exterior, even has a swimming pool, and it's in Nasugbu, Batangas. Come on. And to top off my list, if you've seen our other videos, for sure you already saw this one coming. I always mention it, and it's that beautiful house in Laguna. I was cheating a little bit when I made this list because this one isn't for sale, but it's still below 90 million, so I guess it still counts. So, my goodness, the design, the architecture, everything about it is top-notch. Again, if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. So those were my top 5 houses. If you want to see more information about them, and also we do have 3D tours of them, make sure you check out our website at www.presello.com. So ready, you guys, those 3D tours? Super cool. So what, guys, if you want more exclusive content like this, well, we have exciting news for you. Our Presello channel is now introducing a membership option, so you can look forward to more unique and upgraded content. So with that, let me give you a rundown of the membership perks if you want to join the family. So first off, we have Presello Fan, where we have loyalty badges and exclusive emojis. And just in case you guys don't know what those are, I'll explain in a bit. You also get priority reply to comments. Next up, we have Presello Team. So you get all of the same perks from earlier, but you have members-only chat and members-only shoutouts. And finally, we have Presello Fam. So again, we have the prior perks, as well as members-only videos or exclusive videos, and exclusive streams. And also, you'll have access to our Discord channel, where we can all just hang out and you can suggest content that you might like. So again, as a member, you get all of those perks, and as I mentioned earlier, badges and emojis, right? So badges are little emblems next to your username whenever you comment, and we'll know exactly how long you've been part of the family. And of course, let's not forget the emojis. So they should be here around me somewhere. And these basically express emotion for fun, and again, they're exclusive, so only you guys get to use it. And of course, since we want to make more content for you guys specifically, we're also going to be releasing some exclusive podcasts and live streams. Exciting, right? Let us know what you guys want to hear, by the way. So make sure you don't miss out on these exclusive topics and speakers that we want to share with you guys. Because sometimes subscribing just isn't enough. We want you to finally move in with us and the rest of the loyal Presello fam. So Can't wait to see you there.